Good morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill period. We are doing lesson number 3, that is the new emperor. In this chapter I have already explained you the story. Now today in this video we will do question answer of this chapter. So students, go through the video, watch it carefully and then do the work in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. Lesson number 3, the new emperor. Today we will do exercises or question answer of this chapter, as I have already explained you this story. Now after this we will do question answer of this chapter. First of all, you have to mention the date on which you are doing the work. Then write the name of the chapter on the blank side of your copy. Now write question using black pen. You have to write the question and you have to use blue pen for writing answer, and after each and every question and answer you have to leave a line. Question number 1, what kind of successor did the emperor want? As in the story I have told you that the king had no successor, so he thought to choose a successor among the children of his kingdom, and he want them to train that successor like a honest and kind king. So the answer will be, the emperor wanted a successor who was as honest as he was. After that, leave one line, then write question number 2. Why did the emperor give seeds to each child? When the emperor invited the children, he gave them a bag of seed, because he wanted to know whether the children whether the children are honest or not. So to judge the honesty, he gave seeds to each child. Answer will be, the emperor gave seeds to each child to judge their honesty. Then again leave one line. Then question number 3, what happened to seeds of all other children except Jiang? Answer is, when the king gave them each child a bag of seed, and he told the children that after 1 year he want that the children will plant those seeds, and after 1 year he want to see beautiful flowers from those seeds, and he will make he will choose successor of his kingdom whose flower will be the best one, or who had the beautiful flowers. But Jiang was unable to grow any flower. So the answer is, except Jiang, all the children grew beautiful flowers from the seeds given by the emperor. Jiang, though he was a good gardener, but he was not able to grow any plant or any flower from those seeds which were given by the king. After that, last question is, why did the emperor choose Jiang as his successor? In the end, every child show their beautiful flowers which they have grown from the seeds given by the emperor, but Jiang, though he was a good gardener, he was not able to grow any plant or any flower from those seeds. So the emperor chose him as his successor because he was an honest boy, and the emperor had given the seeds which were boiled, so there was no possibility to grow any plant. This shows that Chiang was an honest boy, and the emperor also want a honest successor for his kingdom, so he chose him as his successor. So answer is, the emperor chose Chiang as his successor because he was an honest boy. So these are the question answer which you have to do in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. After this, in our next video, we will do some more exercises. Thank you.